I finally decided to do the big chop. My name is Jade, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. At this point, my hair was just so dry and heat damaged that I couldn't really do much with it. This is from years of straightening, so I felt that the only way I can get back to my natural healthy hair was to just cut it all off. And unlike other videos that I've seen, I just don't trust myself enough to cut my own hair, so I had a professional do it for me. I wanted to show you guys this entire process and my natural and raw reaction. So if you like the video, please subscribe and comment below.
Oh shoot, oh god, oh my gosh, it's happening. Oh my gosh, it's happening. It's really happening. It's gone, it's over. Alright, now I'm getting emotional. Oh my gosh. And it's like I keep trying to leave you with something, it's like the same thing. I didn't want to cut all this off. Do whatever's gonna make it look better. Shoot. At this point, there's no, oh, I gotta save. Nope.
I was really doing good up until this point. But the more hair I felt her cut off, the more nervous I became, because now my hair is short and I'm just not confident with how it's going to turn out.
Oh my god, I'm trying to tell you, you gotta let it chill. Let it be the ugly stage that it is.
And when she pulled out the clippers, my heart dropped because I did not know we were going this much shorter.
Oh my god, we going shorter?
But of course I had to take out my phone and check on my hair to see what the progress was looking like, and I began to feel a little bit better as she started to put in the Eco Style gel and give me a little finger wave action. At this point, my hair wasn't looking like I thought it would. There was still a lot of straight pieces because I started with about 2 inches of new growth. So she just kept cutting a little bit off at a time. As you can see, my hair in the back is a lot curlier than my hair in the front, but I didn't want to cut off the straight pieces just yet because majority of the damaged hair is in the front of my head. So I just decided to leave it, and as my hair grew out, I would just clip my ends. Overall, I am really pleased with how my hair turned out. I'm just still in disbelief that my hair is this short. If you're thinking about getting the big chop, just make sure it's exactly what you want to do. Your hair will not grow back overnight. It's going to take a lot of time. If you want to see more of my natural hair journey, please subscribe, drop questions and comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.